Without the throttle control, you either hit the trees or the ground. You pick one of the two. What's up, drone pilot? Welcome back. And if you're new here, I'm Neil J, and I do crazy stuff with FPV drone. I came here today to fly my DeepSpace SEEKER 35. It's with the 6S. I have here 1200 milliamp hour with 150C. I came here today to fly it after I upgraded my rates. I made my rates much higher than the original ones. I will have them over here on the screen so you can look at them. Those rates will allow me in a way to do a lot of maneuvers, like a freestyle maneuvers. At the same time, if I want to be doing some cinematic, they will work also. So I am hoping today to come and have the feeling of them with the new rates and see how they go, and at the end of the flight I will let you know how it goes and if I'm gonna keep them or I'm gonna adjust more. So thanks for joining. We're gonna go ahead and send it, so stick around. So I'm gonna go ahead and arm it and let's go. All right, so here it is with the new rates. Very responsive. Very responsive, very responsive. Very nice. Okay, I can live with that. That's good. Ooh, that's too close to the ground. It's windy. The wind is coming from the left, so I have to compensate for that. Woo! Touching the grass. I'm still working on those rates to make it a little bit smoother, obviously. 93 miles per hour I saw earlier. Not bad. Okay, let's give it another shot. My fingers need a little bit adjustment here for the new rates, but I can see the potential of doing a lot with these rates. This is the lake area here, and those are the trees where I practicing. In fact, trying my new rates. You could call it practice as well. 381 on the battery, we're still good here. It's very windy. It's been windy. The wind pushed me too close to the road. I don't want to be too close to the road. Okay, let's try to do cinematic stuff here. Since I'm that high, I'm gonna go ahead and do a dive. Nice. That's a lot of power right there. A lot of power. $368, $366 on the battery. Not bad. Yeah, I can live with those rates. I definitely can. Man, the wind is pushing from the left big time right now. See how I'm crapping to the wind just to go straight? That's where those rates shines, right here underneath the trees, where you need that throttle control, complete throttle control. Without the throttle control, you either hit the trees or the ground. You pick one of the two. Woo, not the tree. Not today. Makes it more challenging to make a circle in a windy condition. Someone next to me. That wind, very strong right now. Trying to keep it close to the ground. Oh, it says low battery sign. Not yet, but 3:57, 7.5 minutes. I'm probably gonna get 8 minutes at the end. Look at that wind pushing me all the way. $354 on the battery. Okay, I'm gonna bring it back. I'm gonna go slow. I need to land toward the wind. It'll slow me down this way. Coming to land. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, close but not close enough. Could have been a little bit closer, but it wasn't. Anyways, that was a lot of fun. Let's go ahead and get the flight stats here. 8 minutes and 24 seconds, not bad for 12 milliamp battery. That's not bad at all. It was a lot of fun. I like those rates. I am definitely gonna keep them. With those rates, like, I'm trying to fly close to the ground and have a nice smooth throttle. So if I go a little bit higher on the throttle, I'll go up and hit the tree, and if I go a little bit less, I will hit the ground. So I don't want to do neither one of them. I was struggling on the landing part. I still need to get more my fingers more getting used to it. Other than that, those rates are fine. I'm gonna keep them for sure. And I appreciate you watching, and I appreciate you subscribing if you did, and if you haven't, please do. And you have any questions about those rates or anything about the SEEKER 35, please free to leave them down below in the comment section, and we'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you on the next video.